Hello everyone, are you looking for a side hustle to earn extra online using your cell phone or laptop? As long as you have internet connection, you can do the business anytime and anywhere. Even if you're traveling, you're in a vacation, you're staying at home, and then even if you are working full-time, you can do this as your part-time right now. Me, I'm a registered nurse here in California. By the way, my name is Jonah Balidio. I'm a full-time registered nurse and also a mom and also a very proud digital business owner. We have 100% tax registered to federal government, and right now we are 238,000 doing this business globally. Yes, our business is global, guys, and even if you don't have a business experience, you can do this business because we have coaches and mentor that can guide you. And also, even if you are not a tech savvy, you can still do this business because step by step we have a video based training that can help and guide you in this business venture, guys. So if you want to learn more, register to my website at www.junabless.com, or you can message me anytime so that I can help you to start your own digital business. Thank you everyone. Bye for now and God bless. See you in the inside. Thank you. Bye.